Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhargavi Raval and I am a fashion mentor. In this video, I'll be showing how to illustrate this beautiful red heels. Now, as a fashion illustrator, it is very important that you learn head to toe, complete illustration. It's not only about clothes. Why? Because fashion is about glamour, and if your croquis is it's got all the right accessories, it adds to the whole look of the garment. As a stylist also, if you are a fashion stylist, you will have to decide what footwear will go with that particular kind of dress. So accessory plays a very important role, and the most important accessory is footwear. Now here I started with skin. My way of rendering is I usually use 3 tones. I started first with a lighter tone and I'm adding a second tone which is darker and the darkest where I've used kind of a black color. Now since it is a leather footwear, the light reflection is very prominent, so I've left few area white which would be like a light reflection area. So you have to identify which area is going to be lighter, which is going to be reflected area. Now there's one video where I have done black leather pants. You can watch that video to understand how to draw a patterned leather. This is just the leather shoes, right? So it would be interesting. Another very important video which I have done is where I have done almost 15 to 20 different footwears. I've done flats, I've done gladiators, I've done block heels, stilettos, I've done high boots, ankle boots. So if you want to learn how to illustrate footwear, check out that video also. I'll put a link of that video in the description box. But that's how you illustrate a footwear. Now this is very interesting. Medium I've used is STAEDTLER colors, and for the skirt what I'm using is the brush pens. Now these are the DOMS pen. I think they're very cheap. I think 300 to 400 rupees for a pack of 12 I guess, and it's very good for a base illustration. So you give your base color as this and then you can add the shading. Now I'll show you in detail also how to draw the shading. So as you can see over here, what I've done is first one layer of brush pen and then using a STAEDTLER color. Now for red I've used a black color or a brown color. You can use both the colors just to give a shadow. So below the crease lines are always darker. As a fashion illustrator, you need to know which part is going to be darker, which part is going to be lighter, how to draw a crease line, especially the hemline. There's one more video I have done where I have shown how to draw the hemline of a skirt and where all the shading will go. So if you want, you can check out that video also. In all, I think I've done more than 90 videos, and it's like this lot many videos I still have to do. I have to teach you all how to draw sleeves and how to draw different necklines and collars, but I promise you I will be keeping on updating videos and I'll try my best to teach you. So I hope you are enjoying watching my videos, and what I want you all to do is subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. The reason being, every time I upload a video you will get a notification now, and that way you will learn everything about fashion designing and fashion illustration. There are few videos on fashion styling also, and yeah, if you like the video, I think you can share it among your friends also. So till then, bye bye.